Good morning, everybody. A couple of things. I do plan on going to the track tonight, so before I head out for work today, I want to. I'm swapping my slicks from side to side because of the feathering of the rubber. So I try to do this every other time I go. Swap from side to side, so the feathering is they feather even. But while I got that out, I was going to go over the couple of unbox a couple of things in the next two mods for the Fox body we will be doing. One is these BMR, these lower control arm brackets. This is going to give us an adjustable lower arm here. So these will essentially go in here. That'll give us 3 spots to lower this. And reason being is I want to get the car a little lower, but I don't want to affect this. If you lower the car down, then it changes all your angles up. So I want to have the adjustment to keep my bar angles where they're at, but bring the car down an inch or two. And that won't be a problem with the front end, obviously. With the coilovers, this won't be a problem to lower them down. But I want to keep the rear end geometry correct. So I got these BMR lower control arm brackets. And again, that'll give me 3 other mounting points. And then on top of that, I've got the conversion kit. We have a nitrous system in the car. It's you can see the purge line here. Purge is all set and working fine, but for whatever reason, it's only turned on one time in testing with trying to run this off of the program, trying to have the computer control it as a dry system. So I got this conversion kit with the fuel solenoid. And of course, it's got a dual nozzle for nitrous and fuel. And we'll just wire this up the old-fashioned way. We already have the wiring for the arming switch. We already have this installed. We already have relays installed. We'll just install our fuel solenoid, run the lines, and wire it up according to this diagram. And then we'll have a wet nitrous system. And that should turn on flawlessly, every time. So those are the updates. We'll be heading to the track tonight. It's a streetcar night, so we'll be running our full exhaust, which is required. You have to run mufflers, but we got catalytic converters on here too. And try to beat our best 11-1. Hopefully we can break into the 10s tonight. Not really any changes to the car other than we did go back. We're a full 4-eye. We don't have the headlight out. So, and of course we've got the rebuilt 349, but no other changes to the combo. And I will update from the track. But again, the update, we're just swapping the slicks, and then overview of the next 2 mods for the 86 Fox body. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day, and I'll catch up with you from the track.